So here's how to clone a repository on GitHub. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. Cloning repository on GitHub involves few simple steps. You have to follow each of these steps in order to successfully clone your repository. For this, first you have to create a repository, and after that you have to click on your repository. Once you click on your repository, now it will redirect you to this page. Once you are here at this page, you have to click on the code option. After that, here you have to simply copy this HTTPS code. To copy the code, you have to click on this copy icon. Once you have successfully copied the code, now you have to close this window. After that, you have to open the file manager, and then you have to right click on anywhere to create a new folder. Then here you have to scroll down and go to this new option and then select the folder. Here, take a look, you have to enter the name of your folder. After creating the folder, now you have to copy the path of this folder. To copy the path, you have to simply take your cursor to this area and select that, and now copy this path. Now you have to open the git bash, and then you have to enter this command that I'm gonna type in. Simply copy this command as it is and paste it to your git bash. After that, you have to hit on the enter on your keyboard. And here you have to enter the command git clone, and now you have to paste the URL of your repository here. After pasting your repository link, now you have to hit on the enter from your keyboard. Once you hit on the enter, now as you can see, it giving the message that our repository has been cloned successfully. You can see that it's showing the done message. Now you have to again hit on the enter. Now go back to your computer's folder where you will be able to view your cloned repository. So that's how to clone a repository on GitHub.